Hey guys, welcome back. Austin here, DamageNova. In today's video, I will be showing you guys how to make a couple of actually, you know what? That's not what I'm doing. Today, I'll be showing you guys how to make this, and then I'm gonna go outside and test it out. So yeah, guys, let's get to the video. How you want to start is grab a piece of paper. No. What you want to do is you have to follow these specific steps to make it perfect. What you want to do is first do this. And guys, with this paper airplane, they can go far. Like, I just tested it, and it was really cool. Take it back out. I know the lighting isn't that great. I'm sorry. Just bear with it. Do that. Make sure the corners are perfect. Like, literally, guys, everything has to be perfect with this airplane, or it will not fly. Now, what you want to do, see the cross we have here? Now, what you want to do is you want to take these. Probably everyone already out there knows how to do this because it's everywhere. Everywhere I looked, I saw this airplane. And as soon as I saw the video where it can go at 100 feet, I was like, you know what, I gotta test this. And yeah. Okay, now what you want to do after you have this so far, what you want to do is now take this side and match up with this line. And this line up here too. You want to make sure all the lines match together. There you go. Everything right now is matching. Everything's perfect right now. Now, what you want to do is you will see that there are two lines here. You want to match it up with this side of it. And do it like that and that. Now, push it down and keep it like that and that. You guys even want to match up. Oh, that's actually perfect. Okay. Now, what you guys want to do is you want to do this. You want to go boom. Then you want to go boom. Right now, guys, this is the perfect airplane. So, yeah. I kind of don't want to test this one out, so I'm going to test that one out. Look at that. It's already making one. Okay. Now, what we want to do after you have this is turn it outwards and fold it from the outside like this. Match up all the lines. This actually might not be the perfect airplane. After all, this might not be the perfect plane. After all. Actually, right now it's pretty perfect. Okay, now what you want to do is you want to take the wings and you want to make sure everything is lined up. Okay, so far, guys, everything is perfect. Gosh. Okay. Have it down now. Like that. Right now, look at that, guys. Pitch perfect. Then, what you want to do is you want to take it like that. Look at this plane, though. Like, I kind of want to test this one out. Wait. Perfect. Okay, what you guys want to do now, just because when it turns a certain way, these will push them to go on the other side. What you want to do is you want to take it like that. See it like that. Other side. You want to do the exact same thing. There we go, guys. Every measurement has to be perfect. Okay. Let's test this inside right now. To my couch. You guys ready? Look at that! You guys see you see it? You see it? Okay. Here are my other two planes I've made. I'm pretty sure these ones don't work. Oh, they do work. Oh, this one. All the plays I made so far worked except for that good one. That good one actually went all the way, guys. This one actually might be the perfect one. But let's see if it flies perfect. I know, guys, I'm in my pajamas, but like, come on. I gotta make a video in the morning. My mom's probably not going to be happy. Alright, let's see if the wind's picking up. Yeah! Oh! Holy! What? No! What? I swear to God. Nothing's in my hand. I'm holding one. Ow! Frick! It stubbed my toe. Ow! Frick. Look where it came. It came all the way over here. No! The tip went in the mud. The perfect airplane, guys. I swear to God. This is the perfect airplane, but I'm gonna go back inside now. I'm sorry, guys, but if I stay outside, my mom's gonna probably wake up and be like, "Oh, where's Austin?" And yeah, everything's not gonna be good. I wish you guys saw what I saw. That was actually pretty dope. Guys, this is actually the perfect airplane. I can't believe making it into a video was such... I landed on the table. Dude, this is sick. Sick airplane. I kind of want to go outside and test it some more, but... Here, guys, you ready? Right there! Dude, this is an actual really good airplane. Just imagine, guys. Ugh. No, not upstairs. It's also about the precision of where you throw it. Are you ready? Oh! I made it! Actually, you know what? Here. A better idea. Better idea. Here, guys, let's go. You ready? You guys can see it. I'm gonna be all the way down the hall. I'm gonna throw it. Was that too high? I don't know if that was too high or not. Here, I'll do it again. Look, hold on. Darn it, keeps getting caught. Hold on. It keeps hitting into stuff. Hold on. It's my throat. It's also about how you stand. Follow through. There it goes. You see that, guys? About the precision. Oh! That was perfect. It works, guys. Okay. Okay, so... Oh my God, this is actually the perfect airplane that I've ever made. And it flies super well. Like, look at that. Just comes back down. You guys ready? Boom! Just comes right back. Yeah. Ow! My stomach. My stomach. Catch, guys. Wow, this is actually a pretty good airplane. The tip and everything just stands out. Like, it's the perfect airplane. But when it hits into stuff, like, I need a place that's not like, it doesn't hit into anything. It went up. It like goes up, goes down, goes up and down. It's so weird, like. And that guy's gonna be the. Okay. No. Dude, you okay? You okay? Don't die on me. I swear to God, did you guys see that? Like, you guys, I must be jabbering, and you guys be like, Austin, this should be 10 minutes, and all you're doing is just throwing it around your house. Where's the excitement? Well, if I go outside and my parents wake, if my mom wakes up and be like, where's Austin? Then I need to let her know I'm here, so yeah. By the way, computer's almost dead, so I'm going to have to end this shortly, soon, but I really want to go outside and test it out with the computer, but you guys probably want to see it. Okay, guys, if we hit 10 likes on today's video, I will do another one of me going outside and testing this out, guys. Okay, I will see you guys in the future. See you guys later. Goodbye.